One of the key aspects of PCI DSS compliance is having a clean pan scan. What do I mean by pan scan? It means that all your environment, your servers, emails, and every component in your entire IT landscape must not have unencrypted credit card numbers. So you should not have credit card numbers in clear text. So you must be able to demonstrate that you do not have this in place. In this video, we are going to be using Microsoft's compliance portal to check for this. So we want to conduct this scan. We want to scan through all the emails for all users. We want to scan through SharePoint sites. We want to scan through Microsoft Teams. We want to scan through several documents in an organization Microsoft platform to see if we can find any credit card in clear text. So there are many organizations that they've adopted Microsoft product. Their servers are on Microsoft, their emails, they are using Microsoft 365, and so many aspects of their business processes are centered around Microsoft's products. So this video will be very, very useful for such an organization. So let me share my screen very quickly. So one thing I would say, the first thing I would say is that, so there is a, okay, let me start from Content Explorer. So the first thing you do is you go over to compliance.microsoft.com, where you would have the Microsoft Purview platform. Then you navigate to Content Explorer. This is the easy way to get it done. Come over to Content Explorer, and you can search for credit card. And you can see that we have 35 instances over here. So Exchange, which is where the emails reside, there are 51 files or items that contains credit card numbers. So this is a very powerful regular expression and AI simulation that Microsoft have put together to be able to detect all this. We also have SharePoint and OneDrive, all this here. So this is the easy way to get it done. But the issue now is that this is only, I can only access this if I have E5 security add-on also. So E5 compliance add-on. So I need to have E5 compliance add-on, but I do not have that at the moment. What I'm using is E3. So how do we do this? So there's another way. So and we can use our content search. So if I should go over to content search, um, so I believe we are clear on what we want to achieve. We want to search through um the entire Microsoft 365 apps for credit card anywhere at all that we are going to find credit card. We want to search through it. So the alternative way, which is open to lower level customers, is you come over to content search. So I'll just pick one that I have. Come over to, I already created this. So let me just try to edit this. So I gave it a name, a description. Then I look at where I want to search. So do I want to search mailboxes? You can see Microsoft 365 groups are included, Teams, Microsoft Teams. So if you have some of these in Microsoft Teams, we also have them here as well. Yammer user messages, SharePoint site, Exchange public folder. But in this case, I just want to search my email. Just my email is what I want to search for. And I already add something. of sort sent. So you come over here. This is my query. This is the important part. So go through the subject, look for anywhere that you have credit card. If you find that, flag it. Also go through the body. If you see credit card as a text, flag it. Or this is the interesting one. Go to the body again, and if you see um a credit card number in this form, four decimal numbers, then an hyphen, another four numbers, an hyphen, another four numbers, an hyphen, another four numbers. This is a very simple scenario. So there are many credit card numbers that wouldn't fall within this regular expression. So we can do this, then you click on next, and that will be all. You can start your search. If I should go to my mailbox, if I go to my mailbox, I already had a couple of items like this that you can also look through and see, and you can see how they apply to what is being done. Yeah, so after doing that, let me just cancel this, then open it again. Yeah. So it detected one. So it detected one. That was the one I just sent. So let's review the sample. I want to open it from here. Hopefully the sample works. So you can see this. If I should open it, you can see it also lets us know the items that it that made it to highlight this particular mail. So you can see there's a credit card in the subject, which was why this was triggered. Then it's also okay, because of the body. Why is body here? Okay, I use body. So I said if the body should contain if the body should contain credit card as well. And even though the body does not contain credit card, but this is taking the actual HTML text that was used. So that was why it's taking this as well. Yeah, so basically this is just a simple way of getting this done. Um, so let me see if I can get a link to content search documentation that will let you see how you can create queries around content search. Content search. Just give me a moment. Yeah, just give me a moment to get yeah, keyword queries and search conditions in e-discovery. Yes, this is what I needed. Okay, so we should open this. This, like, it contains a lot of information on how to construct queries for Microsoft documentation. Very useful. So you can use this. Um, very, very useful. Yeah. So I believe if you find this video interesting, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. So before we actually leave, let me just um modify one of my old queries, and let's see. Let's just walk through how we let me copy this. I'm not sure I have any mail that would meet the condition I want to use, but right now, let's see. So let me edit search. Next, my email is already there. My mailbox is already there. Let me delete all this. I do not want to use this. But this time around, I want to look for a scenario whereby the subject contains a credit card number. I'm not sure I have any that will meet this condition, but let's just see. So next, okay, this is 5, right? Let me go down to 5. Let's see. So it's running now. Let me see if there are any findings. If there are findings, it will tell me the number of items that it's detected. I really doubt it. I do not think I have any email that follows this. Yeah, it didn't find any. 0 items. So I do not see, there are no emails that I will probably send one and do it so that you can see it. But the video is already getting too long, so I do not want to do that. But one thing I will just say is that regular expression with content search is not doesn't work as it ought to work, because I mean, if it works, then Microsoft wouldn't be able to sell the other page we went to. That's was it where we add the credit card, the inbuilt credit card. So they wouldn't be able to sell that because customers will want to be writing their own queries themselves. So use of regular expression is kind of limited. So we just have that in mind. So if you want to be PCI compliant, then and you want to run your pan scans, then it's a good idea to get the E5 compliance add-on. That will make life easy for your compliance auditor, your internal auditor. Yeah, and it has a lot of features that will be very helpful. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.